Hello Gemini, I'm getting ready to do a reading for you. This is for the collective for Gemini, so with that being said, it may or may not resonate with, with every one of you. So if you don't find your message here, then I would advise you to go and check out your moon, rising, Venus signs on my channel. And if you want a more in-depth reading, the link for that is in the description below. Okay? All right. You're going to hear 3 loud sounds. Alright, we're going to start off with an oracle reading. I love oracle. This creator, archangels, ancestors, spirit guides, calling on you for a message for Gemini for the week of June 28th to July 5th. June 28th to July 5th, a message for Gemini. What message do you have for Gemini? June 28th to July 5th. June 28th to July 5th for Gemini. Here we go. Balance. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. So balance. Okay, one more oracle card for Gemini for the week of June 28th. July 5th, June 28th, July 5th for Gemini. June 28th to July 5th for Gemini. Any messages, spirit guides, June 28th to July 5th for Gemini. June 28th. Thank you. Death. I am learning that endings are merely beginnings. That's a card all about rebirth. Death and rebirth, okay? Like shedding an old skin. Okay. Alright, let's get into your reading here. Just going to shuffle. Trying not to tap on the table because it seems to trigger Siri. Or I shouldn't even have said that. I guess it didn't trigger it, so that's good. Still in the process of learning how not to have interruptions in my videos, and it's been challenging, to say the least. I now have learned that airplane mode keeps me from getting calls, which is great. But then earlier I was doing a video and I got a knock at the door. So I paused it thinking I could come back to it, but it didn't. It ended the video, so I had to start a new one for the ending. So if anybody has any suggestions, I would really appreciate that. Please put it in the comments down below. I definitely will read it. Okay. Messages for my Geminis. June 28th to July 5th, recent past. This is recent past for Gemini, June 28th to July 5th. What messages do you have for Gemini? Excuse me, recent past, June 28th to July 5th. Any messages for Gemini, June 28th to July 5th. Thank you. Oops. June 28th to July 5th. Messages for Gemini. Thank you. I know when it's lying on this somewhere, so I'll just have to find it. Give me 1 second. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. Okay. I think that was right here. Anything else you want Gemini to know? Any other messages for the recent past? So flipper. Messages for the recent past. Thank you. Okay, so Gemini, what it looks like here, you have the Hermit in reverse. So the Hermit is about going within to see to reconnect with that light that is within us, and that's in reverse. So I don't think that you're feeling too spiritually connected at this time, or not as connected as you usually feel. Four of Swords. The Four of Swords is a card about needing some rest and respite from your life, maybe taking a break, sometimes from a relationship, maybe taking a break from dating, maybe taking a break from working. Maybe just taking a break from social media or communicating. The Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands is the knight that comes in, that's all about passion and creativity. This is fire spirit. And it looks like sometimes there's an offer that's involved here with getting an offer for a creative, collaboration with somebody, or getting an offer for career. Sometimes even can be an offer for a passionate love affair. Death. Again, this is the second time in your reading you've gotten death, and That's all about rebirth. It's about shedding an old skin and starting life new, okay? Seven of Swords. This card is usually about deception and dishonesty. It also can be about strategy. So we'll have to go a little deeper into your reading here to tell what this is about. Five of Swords. So the Five of Swords is another card that... The Five of Swords in the main deck, the one that I learned from, which I think many tarot readers learn from, is about somebody who just finished having a battle with somebody, and even though he may not be the winner, it looks like he's taking credit for it, like he is the winner, where he's not necessarily the winner. So this is another one that can be about, this is another card that can be about conflict. It can be about deception. Somebody trying to kind of pull one over on you or get away with something. Five of Cups. So the Five of Cups is about disappointment. Seven of Cups in reverse. Seven of Cups, when it's upright, is all about having options and having a difficult time making a decision. When it's upside down, it tells me that you're having a really tough time making a decision, maybe even blocked, okay? Or not wanting to make the decision, or unable to make the decision for some reason. The Chariot. This tells me, the Chariot tells me that you are moving forward in some area of your life, and I'm thinking it may be the Knight of Wands area, the creativity or career. You're moving forward at a fast pace here, okay? And yeah, he's moving, he's got no reins, he's just going at the speed of thought right off into the sunset there, okay? The Tower. The Tower is a card about a shakedown that happens a sudden shakedown that happens in our life. And it's basically to, sometimes we need to let go of people, places, and things that are not for our highest and best life. We need to let go of those things, and the Tower allows us to do that. And helps us to rearrange our lives to allow the highest and best to come into our lives, okay? The Two of Swords. This card tells me that you're at a crossroads with making a decision, and you're having a difficult time. Sometimes this card can even be about not wanting to make a decision or being in denial because she's blindfolded here. All right, we're going to look a little further. Creator, Spirit Guides, Archangels, asking for the highest and best for my Geminis. Highest and best messages for Geminis. Recent, past to current. Highest and best messages for Gemini. Recent, past to current. recent past to current, June 28th to July 5th. Recent past to current, June 28th to July 5th. For my Geminis, what messages do you have? Recent past to current, June 28th to July 5th. Thank you. Recent past to current, July 25th. No, I'm sorry, July 28th. Oh, I'm sorry, June 28th to July 5th. Thank you. Oh, here too. Any more messages for Gemini? June 28th to July 5th. June 28th to July 5th. I think I have to flip her date. Any more messages for Gemini? Recent past to current. June 25th. June 28th, I'm sorry, to July 5th. I should probably not even say dates because I keep messing them up. June 28th to July 5th, recent past to current for my Geminis. Any more messages? Any more messages? Okay, so what we have here is the Nine of Cups. The Nine of Cups is somebody who's pretty happy with his life, with his love life, especially family, friends. And this isn't just significant others. This is about love in your life. So anything that has to do with love or emotions, he's pretty happy with it, okay? So you have that one, and you also have the Page of Cups. So somebody could be coming in for, this is an offer, a message of love. Somebody could be coming in asking you on a date or giving you a romantic message, something like that. The Knight of Pentacles. So the Knight of Pentacles is a very slow-moving but very stable knight. He is coming in. He's coming in with an offer for you. He is, he sees what he wants, he knows what he wants, and he's really taking his time getting there, but he has a very stable and secure offer for you, and you can see he's holding his pentacle there. He probably has a good life. He probably has built up a good savings account. He probably has a home that he's built for himself, or that he's bought. He probably has a comfortable life. Okay, he probably has a comfortable life, and he's coming. He wants to share that with you. Now, this being right next to it. This is right next to it. This is the Four of Cups in reverse. This tells me that you may not be interested in his offer. And he could be Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This came in reverse. This is the Six of Cups, and it is a card about, when it's upright, it's a card about nostalgia. It's a card about people from our past revisiting our lives. Can be past relationships, and people coming back in from past relationships. Can even be past lives. Like it can go back that far. Sometimes soulmate energy. So it is in reverse. It's telling me that this tells me that you're really having a hard time with nostalgia, really stuck in nostalgia, thinking about, you know, wishing things could be like they used to be. Okay? And it may be because it was next to this, the Page of Wands in reverse. The Page of Wands in reverse is a message about, well, when it's upright, it's a message about creativity. It's a message about passion. It's a message about, could be career, could be new ideas. So this can be a message that came in, you know, somebody basically, you know, could have called you into work, something like that. You didn't pick up the phone, or you didn't want it, you don't want to, you know, you didn't want to talk to your boss, something like that. Could be something like that. The Five of Swords, the Five of Wands in reverse. So this is when it's upright, this is about conflict, competition. What this tells me when it's in reverse is that you're moving past this conflict now. And I'm thinking that this may have to do also with your career here that we were discussing. The Hanged Man. The Hanged Man is a person who is taking a break. He's hanging upside down. Taking a break so that he can get enlightenment on a situation. He can get clarity on a situation. So this just tells me that you're taking a break. Yeah, Four of Swords. I saw the Four of Swords earlier. That's another one about taking a break. So you could be either taking a break from social media, you could be taking a break from your job, you could be taking a break from a relationship, you could be taking a break from dating. The sun comes in to illuminate everything in the deck. It is the happiest card in the deck, and sometimes it is also about being playful. It's a very, very good card. So the fact that you're getting this right after the Hanged Man is telling me that this taking a break is a really good thing for you. You're going to get the clarity that you're looking for, and it's going to bring you some happiness. Again, you got Death. This is what, the third time? The third time you got Death in this deck. And not in this deck, in my reading. So somebody is really trying to tell you here that you're going to start anew. Death, death, death. Okay? So you have a new beginning. You have a new beginning coming. You are You are really shedding an old skin. You are rising like a phoenix here to start a new life. Now you have the Tower in reverse. So this is good because previously in the near past, you had the Tower upright. So this is telling me that you've now moved past, in the recent past to current, you've moved past the shakedown, whatever it was. This could be about, sometimes this is about divorce, sometimes this is about losing a job, sometimes this could be about losing a house, this could be about anything, really anything. A sudden and impactful situation. Sometimes it's even a good shakedown, you know. I don't know that I'm getting that here in your read, but sometimes it is even a good shakedown. Like it could be like sudden romance or something like that, but I'm not really picking that up in your read. I think this was not really. I'm getting the feeling, because the Chariot I felt very much was related to your career. I'm getting the feeling that this could be related to your career, and I'm also getting the feeling that the Seven of Cups, the options that you have, I'm getting the feeling that this could be related to a career, or it could be related to both career and love. Okay. Now, again, you have the Five of Swords. You did have the Five of Swords here. Now you're getting it in reverse. So you had the Five of Swords here in the near past to current. It's in reverse. So now that's telling me that you're moving past that. That this is really about somebody trying to pull one over on you or take credit for something you did, gaslighting, any of that kind of stuff, okay? And you're moving past this now. The Star. That's a beautiful card. So the Star is about what we focus on, like a wish that is coming true for us. We are manifesting that into reality, okay? And your inner light shining brightly, and you're getting in touch with that. The Devil. Okay, the Devil is about anything that blocks us from our higher self. So just be cautious, because you just had the Star. So this can be about addiction. This can be about obsession. It can be about toxic relationships. Anything that can block us from achieving this. From this Devil looks like trying to block you, trying to come in and tempt you with something so that you don't achieve this Star status here. So you really just want to watch out if you can work through whatever it is, or not fall for the temptation that it brings you, whether it's a person, whether it's an addiction, whatever it is, then you will achieve this Star status. Okay, we're going to go a little further with current. Actually, I like to do these first. Asking for current messages, Creator, Spirit Guides, Archangels, Ancestors. Current messages for my Geminis. For the highest and best for my Geminis. For the week of June 28th to July 5th. June 28th to July 5th for my Geminis. June 28th to July 5th for my Geminis. June 28th to July 5th for my Geminis. What messages do you have, Spirit Guides? What messages do you have? There's a flipper. Messages for Gemini. June 28th to July 5th. Oh, I think I had another flipper here. Yes, I did. Oh, that's a nice one, too. June 28th to July 5th for Gemini. June 28th to July 5th for Gemini current. Current for Gemini. What do they need to know? Current. Current for Gemini. June 28th to July 5th. June 28th to July 5th here for Gemini. What messages do you have? I'll take these. Okay. All right, so we start off with Judgment. And Judgment is, again, about rebirth. It's about rising up out of the ashes to become the phoenix that you have always knew that you would be or could be, or that the universe knew that you would be or could be. The Sun in reverse. So the Sun in reverse is still a very good card. So this is just, when this is in reverse, sometimes this means to me that something is blocking your ultimate happiness, the ultimate happiness that the universe wants for you. Sometimes it's just allowing ourselves to loosen up a little and maybe be more playful. You know, have fun. Just have fun and go for it. Beautiful. The Ten of Cups. This is a beautiful line right here. The Ten of Cups is the ultimate happiness. Pretty much everything you want in love is coming. Okay? The Six of Cups. Okay, so this is telling me that maybe somebody from your past, a past lover, is either coming back into your life. I think that's what it is in this case. I think that's what it is. It's right next to, it's in between the Ten of Cups and the King of Cups. So I'm just getting the feeling that this King of Cups is somebody that you used to date. They're coming back into your life. Or this is somebody who you've been taking a break from. And they're ready to recommit to you. They're ready to... you know, they're ready to be the King of Cups for you. The Five of Pentacles in reverse. So this, when it's upright, is a feeling of being left out in the cold. When it's in reverse, This is a feeling like you're moving past it. Like you may have been hurt, or you may have been disappointed. Somebody didn't meet up to your expectations for something, and you're moving past that now, letting go of that. The Two of Cups, this is beautiful. This tells me that you're in harmony with your partner. This doesn't necessarily have to be a love partner, but I'm very strongly picking that up in your read, that it is a love partner, that it's this King of Cups here, and that it may be somebody who you knew as a child, or you knew from your past. It may even be from a past life. It might not even be this life. This could be a soulmate. I'm getting the feeling that this is soulmate energy here. The Ace of Swords in reverse. So the Ace of Swords upright is about truth, a new idea, or truth. When it is in the reverse position, sometimes this can be about an untruth being told. You know, somebody is not being 100% honest with you. So just watch for that. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so the Ace of Pentacles is a new beginning. So the Ace of Pentacles is a new beginning for money, career, could be love, stability, anything tangible in life, anything you can touch. So what this tells me when it's in the reverse position is that you may just not be ready. Something may be blocking you from getting this new beginning. And because it's right here under this, you might just want to watch out for that. It's right under the Devil, so that could be what's blocking you. Could be a toxic relationship, could be an addiction, but if you are able to face that and not give in to the temptation, or get help, get the help you need. If it is an addiction, get the help you need. If it is a toxic relationship, then there's so much positive coming in on this line here. It's unbelievable. Okay, we are now going to go into the near future. The near future for Gemini, my creator. Archangels, spirit guides, ancestors, asking you for messages for the highest and best for Gemini for the near future. The highest and best messages. I'll take that one. The highest and best messages for Gemini for the near future. Highest and best messages for Gemini for the near future for June 28th to July 5th. Near future for Gemini. Near future for Gemini. One more time. Near future for Gemini. June 28th. I don't know what it is. These cards, they're big for my hands, so it's hard to shuffle them. There we go. That was a good shuffle. Okay. Gemini. June 28th to July 5th. What messages do you have for Gemini? June 28th to July 5th. June 28th to July 5th. What messages? you. June 28th to July 5th. Messages for Gemini for their highest and best. June 28th to July 5th. Messages for Gemini. June 28th to July 5th. Oops, I did have a flipper here, so I'll take that one. I'm not sure what's going on. I'll just... Alright. June 28th to July 5th. June 28th to July 5th for Gemini. Messages for Gemini. June 28th to July 5th. Messages for Gemini. June 28th to July 5th. Messages for Gemini. June 28th to July 5th for your highest and best. June 28th to July 5th. Messages for Gemini. June 28th to July 5th. June 28th to July 5th. June 28th to July 5th. Messages for Gemini. June 28th to July 5th. What messages? I'll try to do this right, but I don't. June 28th to July 5th. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so for the near future, we have the Five of Swords, again, in reverse, which is good, okay? In reverse here, it was upright here. So this is a card that you want in reverse, that you want behind you, because, you know, it's about maybe some shady characters that are not quite on the up and up, that, you know, might be taking credit for your work, might be gaslighting you, might be not telling you, might not be 100% honest with you, that kind of thing. Okay? So, that is in reverse. And that is right, that's next to the King of Rods, which is the King of Wands, basically. And that is next to the Queen of Pentacles. So, in reverse. So this is telling me that this could be, this King of Rods here could be the person. This could be, I don't know if you can see this. This could be, a suitor. This could be a significant other. This could be a family member. Probably a fire sign, you know, and Queen of Pentacles, she's in reverse. So what that's telling me is that maybe they're stealing money from her, or taking something of hers without asking. I'm very strongly getting that message here, that just, you know, watch out, because this could be somebody who is trying to pull one over, you know, taking money from the purse, taking something from the house to sell, you know, something like that, without asking. Okay. So not on the up and up. So you just want to watch your boundaries there. Watch, you know, watch your boundaries. Say no, you know, watch for red flags. Queen of Swords, she's all about the truth. You know, she cuts to the chase. She wants to get to the truth of the matter. The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. that is telling me that, you know, when this is upright, it's talking about looking back at the work we've done so far and being satisfied with it. So when it's upright, it's telling me that, you know, there's some reason that you may not be satisfied with it. You may be feeling like you haven't gotten to the place that you want to with your career yet. You haven't saved enough. You haven't, you're not working hard enough or something like that. You're feeling dissatisfied with it. Now, I was just saying something about boundaries. So this right here, the world in reverse. The world in reverse is about the world. This is all about coming full circle, learning our karmic lessons, you know. When it's in reverse, it tells me that this, sorry, these cards stick to me. It tells me that there is some lesson, some karmic lesson that you haven't learned yet that is going to keep going around and around until you learn it. And I have a feeling that it could be to do with this, the rest of what was on this line here, this King of Rods, maybe asking you for money, or the King of Rods could be asking you for money, could be taking money without asking, affecting your financial, the King of Rods is affecting your financial situation in a negative way somehow, okay? That could be the lesson. And she's also, when she's upright, she's all about boundaries. That circle protects her. When she's upside down, she needs to, somewhere she's not, somewhere there's a, you know, there's a leak in her protection. She's not protecting herself very well. So, so her boundaries need to be a little bit stronger. She needs to be more careful. She needs to say no. You know, when it's not good for her, she needs to say no. When she does that, when she can learn that, when she can learn the boundary lesson, and she can, you know, stop completing that cycle of protecting herself, she probably will have come full circle at that point. So now you have the Chariot in reverse. So this is telling me where you once were up here, you were speeding full motion ahead with your, this is mostly with our thoughts. You know, this, it could be with anything, could be with career. This is slowing down. This is slowing down, and this is next to the Ten of Wands in reverse. So the Ten of Wands is about feeling burdened, too many responsibilities, too much on my plate. When it's in reverse, excuse me, it's telling me that you're learning how to let go of some of that, maybe delegate some of your work, or, you know, just not committing to so many things in your life, or, you know, just learning how to let go of some of that, those burdens. Sometimes it's people that we let go of so that we don't have so many burdens. So, you know, this slowing down next to letting go of the burdens, you know, it looks like you're slowing down, learning to take care of yourself maybe more, and especially being next to this card. So it's next to the Four of Wands in reverse, Four of Swords in reverse. So, so Four of Swords is all about respite, taking time for ourselves. When it's in reverse, it's saying that maybe you know, you're really in need of this. You're really in need to stop and slow down. So, you know, all of this right here, this is about slowing down, burdens, you know, in need of some time, letting go of some burdens, and basically slowing down, okay? and you know, and I really think that this is good. This is a really good thing for you. And once you learn that, once you get that karmic lesson of protecting your boundaries there, and saying no, I think you know, the everything is you have so much right here that, you know, the Sun, the Ten of Cups, Judgment, it's all about rebirth, the Two of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles. There's so much here. There's so much here, happiness, that, you know, that it's coming. It's coming. And this is in your current, and this is going into your near future here. So take the rest you need. Try not to pick up too much responsibility. Remember to keep your boundaries strong. Take care of yourself. Good self-care. That's what I'm going to say here. Good self-care. Okay? Don't give in to the temptations. Okay? Those are the things that are going to throw you off track here, and block you from getting this. Okay? So that's what I have for you this week, Gemini. If you've stayed with me this far, I so appreciate you. I thank you. I hope that you have a wonderful week. I'm just going to ask you, remind you, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. Leave me a comment if anything did resonate. Let me know. I read my comments down below. Yeah, I guess that's it. Have a good one. Namaste.